Just like you and I need food to survive, plants need food to survive also. But they can't just get their own food. Plants have to make their own food. So how do they make their own foods? The process used by plants and many other living organisms is called photosynthesis. So how do plants use photosynthesis to make food? The exact equation for photosynthesis is 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O plus sunlight. But what does this mean? 6 CO2 stands for 6 carbon dioxide atoms. Carbon dioxide is taken in from the air through plants' leaves, and then it is then used in photosynthesis to make food. 6 H2O stands for 6 water atoms. Water is taken in through the roots of plants. For example, when it rains, the plants take in water through their roots, and then it is used in photosynthesis. And the sunlight is captured in plants by a little tiny pigment called chlorophyll. And chlorophyll is also what makes the plants have a green color. And chlorophyll is found in chloroplasts, which is where photosynthesis takes place. So we know that plants use photosynthesis to make food, but what exactly is produced by photosynthesis? The exact equation for the products of photosynthesis is C6H12O6 plus 6O2. But what does this mean? C6H12O6 stands for the equation of glucose. Plants need glucose to get their nutrients needed for survival. And 6O2 stands for 6 oxygen atoms. So we know that photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplasts, but where are chloroplasts found? Chloroplasts are found in the cells of plants. So what would happen if photosynthesis didn't take place, or it just stopped working? Plants would not have nutrients that they need to survive, and they would slowly die out. And then eventually animals who eat plants, such as herbivores, would slowly die out also because they wouldn't have any food left. And eventually humans would die out also because there would be no plants left. Just like you and I need energy to survive, plants need energy to survive also, but they have to make their own energy. The process that's used by cells in plants and animals to break down sugar and turn it into energy is called cellular respiration. So how do plants use cellular respiration to make energy? First, to start, they need two things, oxygen and glucose. Oxygen is taken in through the plant's leaves and then used, and glucose is gained from photosynthesis. Oxygen and glucose combine to make ATP, which is a molecule of energy. It also makes carbon dioxide and water, which are then used in photosynthesis. Where does cellular respiration take place? It takes place in the powerhouse of the cell, which is known as the mitochondria. But what if cellular respiration didn't work, or it just stopped working altogether? The oxygen levels in plants would decrease, which will eventually lead the plants to die. And then herbivores who eat the plants will die out, leading carnivores who eat those herbivores to die out. And humans will eventually die out as well.